Flht standard. My man just copped him today, actually yesterday, from a friend of his. Got 26,000 on him. I think it's an 88, 2006 maybe, or 7. Hard to tell until you look at the number on it. But my man will say, gave him the oohs and the ahs, basic standard scenario. We're gonna get the music going. He got some places for it to go, so hey, he said, "Bro, put me in the game." I said, "I'm gonna put you in the game. So when they see you, they want to be you." That's how we see it. Well, today, tech tip. If you put aftermarket lowers on your older Harley Davidson, this is a 2008, and they look like these with the whole door that does this, like that, most likely they do this. Because the old mechanism, what they did was they used the outer cap to hold it on here. The old technique was, hell, we'll just wrap some tape around it and we'll make it work that way, around the inside, and make the gap better. But the problem is when you go over tighten those screws further in there, it'll rip it right out the back of this right here. So the tip of the day is, when you do that, as you see, this one's solid now. You drop a screw right there, self-tap it into the crash bar. See? Stability. Not slippery. Tech tip of the day. Also, I noticed they replaced these right here, which is good. But it did not add stability to the corners. When you put these in upside down, they're supposed to connect to the corners right here. As you see over here, they're upside down. They were placed upside down on the wrong side, so the corners will shake. That was probably done when the bars were added to the bike, but yeah. So, like I said, customer came in, said, "Rob, I need to upgrade. I just copped the bike. Hook a brother up." So we're gonna hook a brother up. Stay tuned. Work in progress. Tech tip number 2 is when you have aftermarket bags, aka the China bags. China bags look like Harley bags, but aren't the same. They may require some altering to make them work correctly. Like the lid seal may not be right, but the most prevalent thing is the thickness of the material. So you have to dynomat them to make them operate correctly. If you don't dynomat the aftermarket bag, aka the China bag, it will not play correctly. It will shake too much, it will flex too much, it will not be solid. I'm not going to tell you how much dyno to put in, but I'm just going to tell you the walls need to be thickened up to make it work out right. So when you have China bags, you got to add the dyno. Tip of the day, that's all. Wiring already ran. Tweeters and mid-range in play. We're basically on the bag work right now. Just letting you know, little tech tip of the day, since I'm feeling sharing savvy, put it that way. Gotta go. Well, we at it again. Another one going out the door. Pretty soon, that is. 2.0 scenario, which is 4 6x9s and 4 highs. Actually, we on 2, 4, 6, 8 on the highs. And so, yeah, with all the oozing.
I'm on my way. I don't know about you, but all I wanna do is get my bang on. Stay strapped with a sack while niggas watch my back. Well, nigga, get your bang on. I guess some niggas got a problem with the wood. I see the homies got they straps and they ready in the hood. So I'm looking up my record, step, calling up the people's hands, hoping we ain't exceptional. And I ain't letting shit go. Niggas got to back up out on and get put up with ammo.
So I would say, yeah, we good. Good ride music, good show up and show out music. Brought to you by Money Stereo Installations. I don't own the rights to this music, but if you feel you need this in your life, holla at me. Fast turnaround.
Just wanna get my bang on. I don't know about you, but all I wanna do is get my bang on. Stay strapped with a sack while niggas watch my back. It's the life of a G, I got to live. Them rock moving slow on the block. Nigga, one time hot and we just lost the dope spot. Got me curb serving under pressure. I'm so paranoid that I.
Yeah, this bike was just on the internet last week on the low for $6,000. I believe it's a 2008 Street Glide. My man knew the man who owned it, snatched him up quick. He said, man, I got to have this. If I'm getting in the Harley game on the low, on a good number, my man who owned the bike must have said, hey, it's over for me. I'm on to something else probably. But you know, he let it go to the homie, but he put it out for the world to see. And first man got it.
Keep my Glock on the grip. Only 187 got my mind under stress. Cause even claiming the best, you need a bulletproof vest. You know the game, nigga, when you're dogging and loking. Till the first thing moving and catch the first thing smoking. All I wanna hear is buck shots and guts out. Niggas gas before they breath. That's the type of shit I'm talking about. You niggas cruising for a bruise.
So like I said, 2.0, this is a 2.5 actually. It's 8 seekers on the highs, 4 on the bass. 2 amps under control to make it happen. Nothing in the bag. Hey, if you need my services, holla at your man. That's all I got to say. Once again, it's Rob from Money Stereo Installations. Just letting you hear and see what I see. I think we're about to push this one out the door. Yell next. Take a fork in it because it's done. I don't own the rights to this music. Let's let it rip.
Hotel, this is the heartbreak. Hotel, this is the heartbreak.
What I'm promoting is loud and clear.
You said you'd be here by 9 and said you took your time. You did.
That's all I can give you. I gotta go. Stay tuned. We on to something else now. Hey, I'm always yelling next. Whoever got next, holla at me. Hey, I'm gonna give y'all one more, and I'm about to be out. Rob from Money Stereo Installations. I don't own the rights to this music, but check this here out. Loud and clear is what we're promoting over here, y'all. Loud and clear.
Step down, they don't love you like I love you. Can't you see there's no other man above you?
Like I said, I don't need to write this music.
They don't love you like I love you. Oh, down, they don't love you like I love you. Something don't feel right because it ain't right, especially coming up after midnight. I smell you.
That's all. You gotta hear in person. We out. I mean, you over here.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Yeah. Live and direct at Rob from Money Stereo Installations. Got that red one in the house. Yeah, my people came down to see me today. This was a case of him letting somebody else get in there and tune. He admitted what he did, which cost him a speaker in the back to die. So, meanwhile, while he's here, we did some upgrades. He's like, Rob, will it make a difference? I said, I believe so. He sat on my bike and heard the new rendition of what I be doing now. You know, I got different levels of different things, but let's give it a listen here. I said, your vocal game is gonna go up 1,000.
Yes, sir. 2022. Big Snoop Deagle Dub. Shit. Hey, yo, Battle Cat.
So the whole thing was work on his vocal game. So, you know. So what we got? Good separation, nice and clear.